guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be installing various stuff from Premium Auto Styling on my new 2022 Corolla Hatchback. I don't know why I forgot what it was called there, but yeah, let me show you what I got in the box. As you can see, got some good stuff. Looks like the different tints are in rolls, so we'll have to unravel those to see what they are. Got a whole nice squeegee, and got the all black with gloss black Toyota badge for the front, so it'll match the all black badge in the rear. So the first thing is, so it looks like this third brake light. That's what this is. So I just fell in the crevice. Third brake light is gone forever. We will not be installing that one anymore. POV, you don't know how to open a package. There it goes. Never mind. Oh my. There it goes. The tail lights. So this is like tail light stuff. There it goes. And then this one should be the headlights, like the sides of the headlights. So let's start with the rear brake light. So you want the bigger side up. I don't know if you can even see that. Let's just peel it off, lay the top on, and then kind of curl it under. As you can see, I got it on. Very simple to install. I still need to go get a heat gun. Hit it with some heat. That way the edges kind of wrap around and form the shape of the tail light, and that way it won't peel off. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to work on the tail lights. The tint, it sits like where the clear part of the tail light is. You should black that out and just leave the red. You could call it like a C light or whatever. I got it installed. It looks good. I can't tell if I needed to go up or not, but it does line up with this curve of the tail light, so I'm pretty sure I did it correct. It looks good from behind, no doubt. The only thing, I mean, you can't really fix it. It's just seeing kind of clear through here, but it's no big deal. Let's get the inner and that side done and then come back. As you can see, we got the tint done. That looks really good compared to stock. I'll show a before picture. And here's the after. It looks really good, especially from behind with that third tinted. Now let's take those two ugly things off. Got the stupid dealer plate cover off, and then also the sticker looks a lot more clean. The next thing we will be working on is tinting these amber lights. Sadly, in America, DOT requires a reflector on the front half and the rear half of the car. So with the US spec Corollas, they put the amber right here, which sucks. So luckily we got tint to fix that. We got the tint on the side. It looks a heck of a lot better. Let's go look at the other side just to see what it looks like. Oh, that's disgusting. It wasn't too hard of an install at all. Just lining it up was kind of a pain in the butt, getting it down here right. But other than that, it's very simple, easy going. So as you can see, the badge is going to be pretty easy. You just take the sticker off, overlay it on the emblem, and that's pretty much it. Got the badge done. It is a little crinkled, you can see right there, but we're gonna take a heat gun to it, heat it up. Hopefully it'll smooth it out. Finish that side up, and then we should be done with all this stuff.